Stop saying yes to women, do this instead. Hey there, it's Anna. Are you the guy who always says yes to women, hoping it will make potential relationships better, only to find it doesn't work out as you hoped? Well, today we're going to change that, and in this video we will discuss why constantly saying yes might not be the best strategy and what you should be doing instead to build a healthy, balanced relationship. Now, it's all about setting boundaries, understanding your own worth, and fostering mutual respect. So by the end of this video, you will have a new perspective on how to approach your interactions with women in a way that works for both of you. So be sure to watch through to the very end for a vital bonus tip that will significantly complement these strategies that we've discussed, offering a broader perspective on enhancing your interactions. It's a crucial piece of advice that you will not want to miss. Prioritize your needs and wants. Now, our first strategy is all about self-prioritization. Now, it's essential to recognize the importance of your own needs and wants. So let's delve into why putting your priorities first is not just beneficial for you, but also for your relationships. Prioritizing your needs and wants means understanding and valuing your personal goals, your desires, and well-being. It's about making decisions that align with what's best for you, not just what others want or expect from you. Now, this isn't about being selfish. It's about having healthy self-respect and boundaries. And when you prioritize your own needs, you are better able to engage in relationships authentically and assertively. It helps you avoid overcommitting or agreeing to things that just don't serve your interests. This approach leads to more balanced and fulfilling interactions, as you are engaging from a place of personal integrity and self-assurance. Prioritizing your own needs and wants is effective because it fosters a sense of self-respect and personal fulfillment. It prevents you from losing yourself in trying to please others. This approach commands respect and sets the tone for how you expect to be treated in relationships. It leads to healthier dynamics where your needs are acknowledged and valued. Avoid people-pleasing behaviors. It's crucial to identify and steer clear of patterns that diminish your self-worth. Now, let's understand why breaking free from people-pleasing is important for your personal growth and relationships. People-pleasing behaviors often stem from a desire to be liked or approved of by others. However, consistently putting others' needs and desires before your own can lead to a loss of self-worth and identity. This includes saying yes when you really want to say no, or agreeing to things that just go against your values. Recognize these patterns and understand that it's okay to set boundaries and express your true feelings. Avoid people-pleasing means making choices that respect your own needs and values. It leads to more authentic interactions and prevents resentment and burnout from always trying to meet others' expectations. Avoiding people-pleasing behaviors is effective because it cultivates a sense of self-respect and authenticity. It allows you to engage in relationships on your terms based on mutual respect rather than one-sided sacrifice. This approach builds healthier, more balanced relationships where your voice and needs are equally important and valued. Initiate plans that interest you. Now, it's about feeling confident in suggesting and organizing activities that resonate with your own interests. So why is this approach impactful for your sense of self and your relationships? Taking the initiative to propose plans based on your interests is a powerful way to maintain your individuality in any relationship. This means suggesting outings, events, or activities that you genuinely enjoy or have always wanted to try. Now, it's not about disregarding her preferences, but about finding a balance where your interests also come to the forefront. And by doing so, you are bringing a part of yourself into the relationship and you can share your passions with her. Now, this approach demonstrates self-confidence and invites her into your world, which can lead to a more fulfilling and reciprocal relationship dynamic. Initiating plans that interest you is effective because it creates a relationship where both partners' interests are valued and explored. It shows that you are not just a participant, but an active contributor to the relationship's experiences. And this balances the dynamic, ensuring that your needs and desires are also a priority, leading to a more mutually satisfying and respectful relationship. Avoid overcommitment. Understanding the importance of not stretching yourself too thin to please others is vital. So let's look at why avoiding overcommitment is crucial for your well-being and relationships. Overcommitment often happens when you say yes to too many things, especially in an attempt to please or impress someone. This can lead to stress, exhaustion, or even resentment as you find yourself unable to fulfill all of these commitments effectively. Learning to say no and setting realistic boundaries is key. It's about recognizing your limits and respecting your time and energy. By not overcommitting, you ensure that you give your best to the commitments that you do make. And this approach not only protects your well-being, but also leads to more genuine and sustainable interactions with others. Avoiding overcommitment is effective because it helps maintain your mental and emotional health. It allows you to be present and engaged in the activities and the relationships that you choose to pursue. This boundary setting shows that you value yourself and your time, leading to more honest and fulfilling interactions. It's a crucial step in building relationships based on respect and mutual understanding. Maintain your individuality. Now, it's crucial to understand why preserving your unique identity in any relationship is not just healthy for you, but also for the relationship. So let's discuss the value of staying true to yourself. Maintaining your individuality means holding on to the qualities and interests that make you who you are, even when in a relationship. It's not about losing sight of your passions, hobbies, and values in an effort to conform or please someone else. This includes continuing to pursue your own goals, spending time with friends, and having personal space. And when you maintain your individuality, you bring a richer, more diverse perspective to the relationship. It prevents the relationship from becoming one-dimensional and ensures that you both can grow together yet independently. Embracing your individuality leads to a more balanced, respectful, and fulfilling partnership. Maintaining individuality is effective because it fosters a relationship dynamic where both partners can thrive independently and together. It encourages personal growth and prevents dependency or a loss of self, which are crucial for a healthy relationship. Respecting and celebrating each other's individuality leads to a deeper, more meaningful connection where both partners are valued for who they truly are. Liking the content? A quick like and comment would mean a lot. Your feedback is essential in determining what we cover next, so share your thoughts below. Learn to say no respectfully. Saying no can be challenging, but it's a critical skill to learn. So let's explore why mastering this skill is essential for maintaining healthy boundaries and self-respect. Learning to say no involves being clear about your boundaries while still conveying respect and understanding. It's not about being rude or dismissive. It's all about being honest and assertive about your limits. So whether it's declining an invitation or refusing a request that doesn't align with your priorities, it's important to communicate your decision firmly yet kindly. This skill helps prevent resentment and burnout from agreeing to things that you don't want to do. Saying no respectfully also shows that you value your own time and needs, which is a key aspect of self-respect and personal integrity. Saying no respectfully is effective because it balances assertiveness with empathy. It allows you to stand up for yourself and your needs without damaging relationships. And this skill is essential in creating a dynamic of mutual respect and understanding. It ensures that your choices are based on your own values and well-being, leading to more authentic and satisfying interactions. Develop confidence in your decisions. Now, it's one thing to make a decision, but another to stand firmly by it. So let's delve into why being confident in your choices is key to personal empowerment and successful relationships. Developing confidence in your decisions involves trusting your judgment and being at peace with the choices that you make. This means not second-guessing yourself or constantly seeking validation from others, especially in a relationship context. When you make a decision, whether it's about your life direction, your boundaries, or even your daily choices, owning that decision demonstrates self-assuredness and clarity. And this confidence is attractive and sets a precedent for how you manage your life and relationships. It shows that you are a leader in your own life, capable of making thoughtful decisions and sticking to them, even in the face of opposition or doubt. And being confident in your decisions is effective because it communicates strength, independence, and self-reliance. Bonus tip, cultivate self-reflection and continuous learning. This practice goes beyond the immediate strategies and focuses on long-term personal growth. So let's explore how self-reflection and learning from experiences can profoundly impact your interactions and relationships. Self-reflection involves regularly evaluating your behaviors, decisions, and relationship patterns. It's about honestly assessing what's working and what's not, and understanding your motivations. This introspection helps you recognize areas for improvement improvement and celebrate your growth. Continuous learning means being open to new ideas, advice, and feedback, and applying these insights to better yourself. This can involve reading, seeking mentorship, or even attending workshops. By committing to self-reflection and continuous learning, you enhance your ability to make sound decisions, maintain healthy relationships, and adapt to various situations. It fosters resilience and a deeper understanding of yourself and others. Cultivating self-reflection and continuous learning is valuable because it leads to sustained personal development. It ensures that you are not just reacting to situations, but actively growing and evolving. This ongoing process enhances your relationships by making you a more self-aware, adaptable, and well-rounded individual, capable of contributing positively to any interaction. So now that you have learned to stop saying yes automatically, what's next? Maybe explore the things that women say that reveal she likes you, or check out the signs women think that you are good looking. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.